We're going to have two more practice problems here for finding reciprocal function values. First one we're going to look at is secant of pi over 2. So if you think about where is pi over 2 anyway, well that's up here on the y-axis up here on the quadrant line. That's pi over 2. And if we think about what the coordinate point is there, our coordinate point is 0, 1. All right, so now we know where we are and we know the coordinate point. So let's think of, well, our secant of pi over 2 is equal to 1 over, we think what's the reciprocal function? Well, that'd be cosine of pi over 2. And since cosine deals with our x, we're going to have 1 over 0. And that we know if we have 0 in the denominator is undefined. So our secant of pi over 2 is undefined. This next one is cosecant of pi over 4. So let's figure out where we are. Pi over 4 is right here. And we could really think of anywhere we are in the unit circle. It's always just good to figure out where you are and what the coordinate point is there. So this is square root of 2 over 2. That's the x and y coordinate point. And then now let's figure out, well, what's cosecant? Well, the cosecant of pi over 4 is just like 1 over the sine of pi over 4, which would be 1 over, and then what's the sine? Well, sine's y, so 1 over square root of 2 over 2, and that's our 1 over 1, the numerator, and then we're multiplying it by this reciprocal. So we have 2 over the square root of 2, but we know we have to rationalize that, so we take the square root of 2 and put it on the top and the bottom. So we have 2 square root of 2 over 2, which ends up just being the square root of 2.